Hello, Sanbonani. My name is Sibo. Today we are back with cheesecakes. We are doing mini cheesecakes. Some are mini baklavas. In a pan, add sugar, water, a cinnamon stick, and fresh lemon juice. Boil and let it simmer for 3 minutes until the sugar dissolves, stirring in between. Once the sugar dissolves, add vanilla extract. Cool it, it will thicken. It smells good. In a bowl, add cream cheese, that is softened cream cheese, and blend on low speed. Add sugar and continue blending until smooth. Add sour cream, stir it in, and blend. Add 1 egg and 1 yolk and blend. Add vanilla extract and almond extract, that is optional. There. Open a package of Philo pastry. We will use 6 sheets. Sprinkle butter in between each sheet. Aside, in a bowl, add nuts, ground nuts and cinnamon, and stir. On top of the Philo pastry, put another sheet and sprinkle the nuts and alternate up until you stack 6 of them, 6 of the sheets. And do not sprinkle the nuts on the last sheet or no butter. Cut squares from the pastry sheets that are stacked and put each square in a muffin hole, that is a baking pan. You just push it in at the center and it will get in easily. Brush each square of the pastry with melted butter. You're brushing the edges, the top edges, so that they do not burn. Bake between 170 to 175 for 10 minutes, then bring them back and fill them with cream cheese mixture. We will bake them this time at 160 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. Drizzle them with the cool syrup. Leave them in the baking pan for 10 to 15 minutes, then take them out and put them in a cooling rack and allow them to cool at room temperature. Then put them in the fridge to set for about 4 hours. This is how you can make them without a muffin tin. Sprinkle butter on a layer of the pastry, then on one side of the pastry sprinkle ground nuts, then fold the sheet, then Add a scoop of cream cheese mixture at the bottom of the folded sheet. Then fold it once more, sprinkle butter, and fold it into a smaller pocket. Put them on a baking tray lined with baking paper. Then repeat the process until all pastry sheets are done. Brush them with melted butter and bake them at 160 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes or until they are golden. There they are. Look at them. I've added fresh fruit and jam to some for presentation, and they are so delicious. I hope you enjoy them. Let's make Oreo cheesecakes. Crush the cookies, Oreo cookies, with either coffee grinder or just bash them, or use a food processor, anything to crush them. Then put them in a bowl. Add melted butter and stir to mix. Scoop the cookie mixture into molds, whether it's a muffin pan mold or food stackers like these. A warm welcome to new subscribers and a big thank you to returning viewers. I appreciate your time. Compact the biscuit base or cookie base. If you do not have molds, use a cupcake pan or muffin pan and line it with cupcake papers as shown in the video. Then add the cookie base and compact it. In a bowl, let's prepare the filling. Place softened cream cheese and blend it until smooth. Please check the description box for finer details regarding these recipes. We stop and we collect from the side of the bowl and continue blending. Add condensed milk and mix. Add lemon juice and vanilla extract and blend. Please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell to help grow the channel. On another bowl, place heavy cream and add icing sugar. Blend until it's got soft peaks. Gradually add the whipped cream to the cream cheese mixture, blending in between. If you notice, the first blending was with the electric mixer. Then following from there, it's with the spoon. We don't want to overmix. Scoop the cream cheese mixture into molds, the molds that we have prepared. When filling, make sure that you do not leave gaps in between. Then set the cheesecake for 1 hour or overnight in the fridge. For best results, overnight. It's easy to take out of the mold. It just slips. Garnish it with mint leaves, strawberry jam, or any fruit of choice. Please press the like button and leave a comment below and add more value to this video. I hope you enjoy these cheesecakes. Delicious. Let's make mango mini cheesecakes. Crush the cookies or biscuits into crumbs. And pour the crumbs into a bowl. Add melted butter and mix. We're forming a sandy mixture. Put them in a mold, to molds or cupcake holes as shown in the video. Press them down to form a base. We're compacting them as we did before or previously. Put them in the fridge. While preparing the filling, here I did not have a blender. I am grating a mango. You can slice it, remove the peels and blend it. Otherwise, use this way if you do not have a blender. Put the mango through a sieve for smooth results. You may eat what is left from the sieve. In a bowl, place softened cream cheese, add icing sugar, vanilla essence or extract, then blend until it is smooth. Add the mango, the sieved mango, and blend. Blend until the mango incorporates with the cream cheese. Please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell to be part of family. Add whipped cream or whipping cream and blend. You stop once it looks thick like this. If you are using a silicone tray like I am, first put it on a steady tray before filling it. Fill the cooking mold with cream cheese mixture. Freeze them overnight. Dice fresh mango for garnish. For best results, put the fruit in the fridge or freezer so that it can harden a little bit. I had melted white chocolate and put it in a piping bag. Here I am piping it on a baking paper, just any shape, and freeze it for ±5 minutes. In a bowl, whip the whipping cream until it peaks. Put it in a piping bag. If you do not have piping bag, you can spoon your cream. As long as you spoon it tidily, then put your frozen white chocolate. Add a cube of mango and sprinkle cookies or biscuits. There you go. I hope you have enjoyed these videos. Thank you so much for your time. See you soon. Bye bye.